Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. And as you know, booking a driving test is extremely difficult. Not just a driving test, a theory test as well. You're looking at about a 5 months waiting list. And we're just now going to go through DVS's new email, latest email, in how they're planning to increase the number of students being able to take the test. So giving you guys more slots basically. Before we start, don't forget to check out fmdrivingschool.co.uk. We're gonna post up any links that can potentially get you driving tests a lot sooner. You can always give us a email, so just go to our contact form and give us a message. So we got like partnerships. We speak to other companies out there that do help you guys get tests a lot sooner. Just give me a message and I'll see if I can help any of you students to get a test soon. Anyway, going back to the DVS's email, next steps to increase the number of driving tests between the 1st of September and 10th of September. DVS is carrying out further study to impact. There's nothing. Okay, reducing driving test waiting times. Let's go to the main part. We know how frustrated and disappointed your pupils feel about increasing waiting time for driving tests. Reducing the current waiting times for driving tests is a matter of national importance. And DVS said driving examiners, you and your pupils all have crucial role to play in this. Increasing the number of test examiners can offer during their normal working day is one of a range of measures we are taking to reduce driving test waiting times as quickly and as safely as possible. So increasing the number of test examiners can offer. So for example, if they're doing 8, they might try to do 10. Let me see what they're saying. A national rollout of a full-time examiners carrying out 8 tests per day during the normal working hours would increase the number of available driving test appointments by 15 to 20,000 each month. Okay, we will not cancel any tests to accommodate the study. All right, so this is like a test, I guess. They're just gonna try it out. We will not cancel any tests to accommodate the study, but the original scheduled start times of examiners carrying out 8 tests a day may be brought forward up by an hour to an hour. We are sorry for any inconvenience this may cause. Oh, okay, I get this. Okay, so guys, watch out for your emails. What's gonna happen? They may try to change your test time and make it a little bit earlier in order to accommodate more tests throughout the day. If you or your people are not able to make the new test start time, all right, geez. So if you can't make it, you're gonna have to contact them, which might be really frustrating because maybe you have work to go to or other appointments that you need to meet. That's why you made that particular timing for your driving test. They will need their driving license number and test reference number when they can. Okay, we will email affected candidates to let them know as soon as possible if a test you have booked on behalf of your pupil is affected. You need to let them know if any changes to their appointment. So guys, please look out for your email address because your test time might be changed, and that's in order to accommodate more driving tests for other learners out there, looks like. So really important, guys, make sure you check your email because one thing that may happen is you might think the test is at 10, you turn up at 10 and the examiner turns out but it's actually at 9 o'clock because they've changed it and you didn't check your emails. I've seen this happen pre-COVID time as well. So before COVID happened, sometimes the examiners, something's happened or something is going to happen. So they've changed the email or they changed the test date of the student, but the student hasn't checked the email because really who checks the email nowadays? So please check your email is really important. So that's one way they're gonna be checking, trying to increase the number of test times, but at the same time you guys might be affected. So please guys, make sure you don't turn up to your test late. I don't want you guys are already waiting for so long for a test. I don't want you to turn up to the test date and you can't even take the test because it's been you've missed it because you're late. Guys, on that note, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.